Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my spring nighttime routine. I'm just going to take you through what I do, the products I'm using, all that stuff. So we're getting cozy and I had some leftovers. I will leave this recipe down below. It was like a chicken bacon Alfredo Weight Watchers recipe. It was amazing. And I'm eating that while I'm watching Jada. I've been on a really huge Jada kick lately. She's my favorite, so I've been watching a lot of that. And I should say Bradley was not home this night, so I was on my own. So yeah, I had leftovers on the couch. And then I'm just kind of making the apartment cozy. I turned on the fireplace, the rock salt lamp, the twinkle lights, and I get the diffusers going. So at night, I usually like to run 3 diffusers, which I know that's a little bit extra, but it's better than all 5. But I'm starting with Stress Away in the living room. This is my favorite in the common area at nighttime. I have been also sleeping with it on lately, and it's incredible. But this is my Desert Mist diffuser, and don't mind how dirty that table is. That's a little embarrassing, but I'm just getting that pumping in the living room. Then I am doing the same to the bathroom, getting it all cozy, plugging in the twinkle lights, and then I'm going to diffuse peace and calming in here. I promise my new starter kit video is coming. It will be up this coming week, but this now comes in the starter kit, and I am just now getting to know it, and I am obsessed. It's very calming, but still has citrus in it, so it's kind of bright and uplifting, and it's this really cool green color. So I am diffusing that in the bathroom. I like to diffuse this at night if I'm showering or taking a bath. Just whenever I'm unwinding, this just smells really good mixed in with the Stress Away in the other room. And then we're actually going to be doing a multi-mask on my hair. I've been doing this kind of scalp support mask, and the base is coconut oil, and I just buy mine at Trader Joe's. So I'm just going to take a heaping scoop. That's not even that heaping. Just a scoop out with my fingers. And then I'm going to add in 2 drops of each of these oils, lavender, eucalyptus, and tea tree. I found this recipe on Pinterest and I've been using it and loving it. So yeah, it's been nice on my hair. So I'm adding 2 drops of each of those, and then I'm just going to mix it all together with my hands and then just go to town. And it's coconut oil, so it is a touch greasy, but as long as you do a good job of washing it out of your hair in the shower, it does not leave your hair greasy the next day, and it smells really good. So once I have that in my scalp, I'm using this Amika nourishing mask on the rest of my head that I've been loving. It's not my favorite hair mask I've ever used, but I'm going to use it up. So then I am throwing my hair up in a bun on top of my head, as you will see. We're just going to let that sit, and I'm going to add my favorite L'Oreal Pure Clay Detox and Brighten mask onto my skin. This is my absolute favorite. It is under $10 at Target. I will link everything I'm talking about down below, but this will be linked down below as well. And I just like to sit with this on my skin for about 10 minutes until it dries and looks like this. This is really gross. I can't believe I'm showing this to you. But you can see it's working, and that's why I love that mask so much. So then once it's dry, I'm jumping in the shower. I'm using this Biolage Matrix Reset shampoo, and this is my scalp brush that I love. It looks like it hurts, but it doesn't. So I use that to get everything out of my hair, and then I follow up with my Tresemme conditioner. I wash my face with my Simple Micellar Gel Wash and my Proactive Cleanser, and then I've been loving the Alba Botanica Very Emollient Shower Gel in Midnight Tuberose. It smells so good. So that is what I use in the shower, and then I'm gonna hop out of the shower, hair and towel and all, and I'm gonna let my hair dry just a little bit before I brush it, and I'm going in with my Lush Tea Tree Toner Water. I know I use a lot of the same products, but I love a lot of products. Oh, and I'm wearing my Honeymooner t-shirt, just wanted to show you that. So while I'm letting my face dry, I am brushing my teeth. I'll link the toothpaste I use down below if you're interested. Then I've been loving this Kate Somerville Liquid Exfoliate. I was kind of confused at first as to what it does, but it's supposed to be a chemical exfoliant. You have your physical ones with the nitty gritty things, but then you have your chemical ones. So I've been using that and I've been enjoying it. Then I'm going in with 2 products I use all the time. My Yes to Blueberries Eye Firming Treatment, which I love. You guys know this is the only eye cream I use at night. It just feels so good, smells great. I don't know if it's firming, but we'll find out, I guess. And then my Lush Grease Lightening Tea Tree and Aloe Gel. I use this as a spot treatment. I've had a lot of texture on my cheeks out of nowhere for some reason, so I am just trying to clear up my skin with my tea tree gel as usual. And then every other night I use a face oil, and I've been using the Pixie Rose Oil that I love. It smells like citrus and rose. It smells really good, so I'm just slathering that all over my body. Then I'm going in with my leave-in conditioner. which I will have everything I use down below. I realize I'm skipping past some things, and I'm brushing through my hair with my Tangle Teaser that I love. So once that's all brushed out, I'm going to just pin up the front part of my hair because it gets it out of the way. Then I am going to scrub my lips with my Lush Mint Juleps Lip Scrub. I love this stuff. You guys know I've loved that for years, and I'm also using the Sephora like lip scrubber tool that's really cool and inexpensive. So I just go in first with my finger and I just kind of rub it around, and then I move on to the brush, which has two different sides, but it helps kind of just really get in there and scrub away all the dead crap on your lips. Then after I do that, I'm going in with my favorite right now, the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I need to rave about this so much more because it is so effective. I put this on right before I go to bed, and I wake up and my lips are like still moisturized and feel like I just put it on. It's crazy. So putting that all on, and then I am getting the bedroom nice and cozy. I'm turning on the twinkle lights, taking off the bedspread, which I get a lot of questions about this bedspread. It's just a quilt from Anthropologie that I got like, wow, 4 years ago. Then I am opening up the windows. It has still been really cool and breezy here in California, which is very unlike that. There I am. So I'm opening the windows, and then I'm going to get some lavender oil going. This is my Desert Mist diffuser. Again, I have one in the bathroom as well. And this one has a mode where it can run all night long intermittently for 10 hours. It goes 1 minute on, 1 minute off. It's amazing, and sleeping with lavender is such a game changer. So I like to turn off the lights and then get this going, and I like to leave it on the purple color until I'm ready to go to bed. Then you can turn the color off completely. But then it was like freaking out my camera, and I thought it looked cool, so I left the footage in for you to see. How cool would it be if it did that in real life? But yeah, it looks like a little weird strobe light. But once I crawl into bed, I like to put this rose ointment on my cuticles. It smells really good, and I'm just trying to have better cuticle care. And then my Lush Sleepy Body Lotion. Of course, between the lavender oil and the Sleepy Body Lotion, I knock out. It's amazing. So yeah, that is it for my spring nighttime routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you. I will see you very soon in the next video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.